All right, we are at Phoenix Airport at Avis, and look at this, they've got a Model 3 here. Thanks everyone for tuning in. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click on that subscribe. If you want to see more of these videos, hit the like button. And let's just kind of take a look at Avis here. Everything's kind of under preferred, so we'll just kind of walk through. Looks like they got a couple oh geez, a lot of Genesis. Yeah, there's like almost 2 rows of them. There's another preferred row over there if I spot anything interesting. Oh, so it looks like Avis here is getting into the Model 3s, eh? That's the second one. What do we got? We got a couple of Acuras too. And over down there, Nissan, BMW, more of these oh geez, they got a lot of these Genesis. Yeah, we got a BMW. These must be all kind of like premium upgrades. There's a 3 Series BMW. And what do we got? A Cadillac XT5 down here. We got a Lincoln Navigator. I don't know if I've seen a newer one of those yet. Looks nice. A couple more Genesis. Wow, man, if you're looking for a Genesis, this is where you want to be. Phoenix Airport, Avis. Which one is this here? The G70. Okay, I don't know if those are all G70s, but those two are. Another Lexus SUV. What do we got down there? We got some sports cars over there. Maybe we'll wander over there in a bit. Looks like just Mustangs. Got somebody coming through here. A couple pickup trucks. Sierra. And yeah, it's kind of, the garages are it's so big. It's almost a little overwhelming. Sorry, I'll try not to pan back and forth. I know that kind of blurs on the video. Got a couple more SUVs. I'm going to kind of go down the center of these aisles and see if anything interesting pops out. There's a Prius over there. Oh, this just goes on forever. Yeah, let's just kind of go down the center and look for anything interesting. This Chrysler 300 here, VW. And actually, no, let me know how this goes. I can try and pan slowly. That might actually work a little bit better from the center of the aisles. Got a Passat. Lexus 300 down there. Just looking for anything new and unusual. Oh boy, this goes on forever. Actually, it turns into Budget eventually. Avis and Budget share the same fleet. Here, I'll try and make a run over here and see if we can maybe do a quick update on Budget while I'm down here. Honda Ridgeline, Mustang, Eagle Boost Coupe, a couple pickup trucks, and got the larger trucks over here. Some of you guys like the larger trucks, the premium. Luxury SUVs, what do we got here? Okay, this is kind of borderline Budget, but again, they share the same fleet. Oh, we got a new Denali. Have we seen one of these? Yeah, I think we did see one of these. We'll take a quick peek at it, though. Oh, sorry, the Yukon. Oh, yeah, Yukon GMC Denali. Right. Well, you know what? That is a little bit different. So this one doesn't have the wraparound dash. I was thinking of the Cadillac. Oh, this is very nice, though. Bose. It's got the big sunroof. Ooh, this is nice. And we got a Yukon right beside it here. Tahoe Premier, taking the pickup truck. Oh boy, we got a bunch of Tahoes here. GMC Denali, Yukon, Suburban, a couple more pickup trucks, a bunch of smaller pickup trucks, and I think we kind of get into Budget. All right, so that gives you guys kind of a quick update from Avis out here at Phoenix. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.